In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your personal budget using Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you organize and manage all sorts of data, and today we're focusing specifically on keeping track of your budget. Let's dive in and take this step by step to make sure you fully grasp how to set it all up. First, open Notion on your browser or the app. If you don't already have a Notion account, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process, just follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the interface if you aren't familiar with it yet. This will help you navigate smoothly as we move through the steps. Now, look towards the top left corner and click on the small arrow, which will expand the sidebar. This is where you can access all your pages, databases, and workspace elements within Notion. It's important to understand the layout here, because it will make finding your personal budgeting page much easier in the future. Next, we are going to use one of Notion's templates to set up your budget tracker. Templates are a great way to speed up the setup process as they offer a structured starting point. In the sidebar, find and click on Templates. This will bring up a variety of ready-made layouts that you can choose from. Once you're in the Templates section, use the search bar at the top right to type Personal Budget. This search will bring up all related templates that people commonly use for tracking their finances. Browse through them and see which one catches your eye. Each will have different features, so pick one that aligns with how you like to manage your money. After choosing a template that suits you, click on it to bring up a detailed view. This will show you what the template looks like, its layout, and how it organizes data. When you've confirmed it's the right fit for you, go ahead and click Add to add this template to your workspace. Now, this template is a part of your Notion, but we want to make sure it's stored where only you can access it. To do this, click on Add to Private. This ensures that your financial details remain confidential and only viewable by you. This is an important step if you're concerned about privacy or if you're using a shared device. And there you have it. You've set up your personal budget tracker in Notion. You can now start entering your income, expense, and track your financial health over time. Customize the template further to better fit your needs, and don't hesitate to explore other features Notion offers to enhance your budgeting experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy budgeting.